Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to create an app like this in which you draw a sketch, and this has been drawn by me and I'm quite surprised. I have drawn quite good. So I draw a dolphin. I wrote like a dolphin, and here is the picture of the dolphin that follows the exact same sketch that I've done. I can also generate different kinds of dolphins, like I just have to generate again for a different one. And as you can see, this works quite well. So this is what you're going to learn, how to build an app like this. So let's get started. So this is the paper UniControl, a unified diffusion model for controllable visual generation in the wild. The paper is also on archive. You can take a look. I'm not going into details of how everything works there, but what they do is they have a dataset containing k different tasks, and for each task is denoted by the training pairs. So C text, which is the language prompt, the prompt that we write. Then you have a task instruction, and then you have some kind of visual condition, and X is the target output. So this is what it looks like. But I'm not going into details. The dataset is also open, the code is also open, and this is what we are going to be using today. We are just going to use the code directly. So I'm going to code very less today. They also have a demo on Hugging Face Spaces, and here you can see like they have a demo for each different, like canny, sketch, depth, different kinds of image conditions. So you can upload the image and write a prompt. So I was just thinking maybe I can take the sketch part and replace this image uploader with some kind of sketch pad and remove everything else, and maybe put a stable diffusion refiner on top of the output and see what the results look like. And it turned out to be quite good. So in the files, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clone this repository, this space repository, and I'm going to modify their own app.py. So if you want to like understand how everything works, you should go take a look at their source code. And I'm not going to explain like everything in details, but only like the part with sketch. So we input a image, and then we write a prompt, and based on the prompt, this code is going to generate an image, and we are going to take that image and put that in Stable Diffusion Excel Refiner and get an enhanced output. So let's go to our VS Code. Okay, so now I'm in my VS Code environment, and here I have all the code. This is the original code. I have just changed the name of app.py to _app.py, and in the original app.py you have a lot of different functions, one for each type of image condition. So definitely go take a look. Today we are only interested in the sketch part, so that's what we are going to take a look at today. And if you want to understand everything, you should go and take a look at the code, the original code. So in our part, what we are doing differently is we are just taking the output and putting it through the Stable Diffusion Excel Refiner to make the output a little bit more higher quality. So here is the Stable Diffusion image to image pipeline, which is from Hugging Face Diffusers, and we are going to use the latest SD Excel Refiner 1.0, send it to CUDA device. And everything remains the same. You have the sampler here, and then the process sketch function, which takes input image, and input image is supposed to be an numpy array. So we are sending in a PIL image, so we just convert it to a numpy array. And then we have then we do this. So we are inverting the image. We are from 255 we are subtracting every pixel value to invert the image, because the image that you get from the sketchpad has like white background and black background, and on that you draw in white pixels, and we need the opposite, and that's why we do that, and it took me a while to figure that out. So everything basically from here remains the same, and here I have also removed a couple of functions and one condition that I think probably not required for this demo, but that's why you should definitely go and take a look at the the original code. And from here, everything remains the same till we go to examples. So here we are just, examples is just a different number of samples of images that you have generated given the prompt and the sketch. So everything is stored in result image list, and we take the first image. So I take the first image, and then what I've done is I convert it to PIL image. I initialize the torch generator, and I pass the image and the original prompt and the generator to refiner, so the SDXL refiner, and then I do dot images 0 because this is also going to generate a list, and we are only interested in first image. Then I add both the resulting image and the refined image to a list and put it in results. So the demo section has also been modified quite a lot. So this is like just the intro, and then you have the input image. So input image was originally like image upload, but I've converted to a sketchpad with the 512 resolution, and you have the pencil tool, and you can it's a PIL image, and image mode is RGB, so it returns a RGB image, 3 channels, so you avoid a lot of processing later. Results are stored in result gallery. We are not going to take a look at advanced options today. I think the options that I've set or used are more or less working for most of the sketches, but you should definitely go and play around with them if you want to do that. So even if you change anything in num samples, nothing is going to happen, so I should probably just remove it. Let's keep it for now. And then you launch the demo. So I can just do demo.launch, and it will start the Gradio demo. Don't worry about the code. The code will be available in the description box. Even the demo is going to be available in the description box. Okay, so now I have to go to the terminal and just run python app.py. So the amount of modifications that we made is very little in this code. And then let me forward the port 7860. Okay, so this is going to take like a few seconds to load everything. That's it. I mean, not more than a few seconds. But if you're running it for the first time, this is going to take a while because it's going to download all the models, and that takes some time. Okay, so now it's running. So let's go to the browser and see. So 860. Okay, so now we are in the browser. Yeah, there we go. And here we have everything that we need. We have the advanced options if you want to take a look at them. And here I can just draw something, and my drawing is not very good, so let's draw a star and say a starfish, and let's run it. So this is going to produce 2 images, one from the original code and one like it goes to Stable Diffusion Refiner, and hopefully that gives us a little bit better results. So you see like it's keeping the shape and everything. So this is the original one, and this is like from the refiner, which I think is a little better quality and higher resolution. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did like it, do click on the like button, do subscribe, and share the video with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye.